Hi there, my name is Joey with the GitKraken team, and here is how to install GitKraken client on Linux. Each Linux distribution is going to be very similar in the installation process, and in this example, I'm going to be using Ubuntu. To start, go to gitkraken.com, and here you'll see the option to download GitKraken client. As I'm on Ubuntu, I'm going to be using the deb, but this is also available as a tar.gz or an RPM. While that's downloading, I'm going to select click here to open up our documentation. Here we can find the commands to run the installation. For the deb, I'm going to grab this command here. This is also available for the tar.gz here and the RPM here. With this command, open up your terminal, paste it, and hit enter to run the command. Once that's complete, GitKraken has finished installing, and you can use the command GitKraken to run it. And that's it. You're now ready to get started using GitKraken client.